What's up, guys? Here you are again for another reaction. So today we are to continue our journey on reactions to TV shows, TV series. Guys, I don't know if you are aware of, I was planning to start this week with The Sopranos. You know, arguably the greatest show of all time. Unfortunately, when I started reacting to, I reacted to the episode, which I thought was the first, but then I realized it was the 13th. I uploaded my YouTube channel, but then, some of you commented that instead of reacting to the first, I reacted to the last one of the first season. I also put in my community section what happened. So basically, the site I choose to react to series to mentioned that the first episode was the last one. So the first episode, episode 1, was written The Sopranos. The Sopranos is the name of the last episode of the first season. The name of the first episode of the first season is called Pilot, which is like the name of the first episodes of all series, kind of, the Breaking Bad, Sopranos, now the Sons of Anarchy, the series I'm about to react to. Yes, guys, what a shame. I was really looking to watch that series. Guys, I was really heartbroken that day. I was drinking a lot. Yes, guys, but life goes on, and definitely, I will let time pass by, and around 6 months, I will definitely react again to The Sopranos, even though I know more or less the ending of the first season. But we are here to react to the full show, so there are a lot of seasons for that show. But still, guys, I don't want to still react to the show because I want to give some time to that bad luck to heal, yeah, in my heart. So yes, guys, instead I'm reacting to Sons of Anarchy. The poll I put it on my community section 3 weeks ago around. Sons of Anarchy and The Sopranos, they draw. So they received the same amount of votes. I chose to go with The Sopranos because Sopranos got to that place, got to the first spot first, and then Sons of Anarchy reached the first spot with Sopranos. That's why, but I decided to go with the one who reached it first, yeah? But we are here to react to the one who finished second place, because I think it's a show that I even identify myself more than The Sopranos, but I also give a lot of an account of your thoughts, of your likings, so I give account on what my viewers liked to watch and to see, So yes, guys, to be honest with you, this is not really a first time watch. I remember back then when this show came out, I watched maybe, I think, the first 2 episodes, not really paid a lot of attention to. So because of that fact, and because it was so long ago, I still call this semi first time watch, So yes, guys, there is 13 episodes. If I have put a hand or my eyes on this show was just the first 2, so it's the first time watch. So in the end, I would definitely consider this something new, I believe, So yes, guys, I don't want to keep going with this intro, give assumptions. I know the actors on the show. I know there is the guy from Hellboy and stuff. This guy, the main actor, he does some good movies as well. Yes, guys, I know what they are doing. They are motorbikers and stuff like that. They are having a gang. They have a lot of encounters with the police and stuff. Things that America are known for, especially the West, California. Guys, yes, enough talk. Before we jump to the first episode of Sons of Anarchy, please keep me with the love, energy. By subscribing my channel, just one click, guys, gonna make me happier, stronger, so I keep with the right momentum to keep doing these things for you guys almost every day. And yes, as always, hope we're all having fun. And let's do this, guys. Let's do this. We hit the city. Okay, these guys are Mexicans, I believe. This is what, Texas? Because that's where they are. They're having the confrontation. Texas, Mexicans and Americans, yeah.
Weapons, right? And floors. Full auto. Laser scopes.
Niggas still couldn't hit shit.
Wow. Someone is hiding. So this is like loads of guns and artillery, my friends. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure in the end of this show I will buy this jacket. I think this guy does the Papillon, the remaster, the remake that came out a couple of years ago. Fire washing in distance. It was an explosion, yeah? Here you go. Holy fuck. Wow. Hey you guys, look at this. I have a dream on like buying, Harley and ride on those big roads in California, man. It might be such a great feeling.
Propane tanks caught fire. Ammo was in there, the place just blew. Shit. Yeah, Fire Dick says it was on
The M4s.
gone. As are most of the Glocks.
So those guns that gang, last night robbed from that place, they blew those artillery away,
You gotta see something else.
God damn.
That's the lady that was hiding, yeah?
Smoke clear. Call the gangster hotline setting in.
It ain't easy being king.
You remember that.
It ain't easy to be a king.
Right into this
True, man. Sons of Anarchy, here you go. Kurt Sutter, that's the guy behind the show. He has a funny way to be, but you can see his acting, this guy. Another great actor, this guy, with his famous mark.
What the hell?
Here we go.
Mines torched the warehouse.
Just bring Chibs and that new kid.
New kid doesn't eat meat.
Can't trust anyone doesn't eat meat.
Can't trust anyone that doesn't eat meat. Never a vegan who will watch the show after this.
Grandma.
Wow. Hey, guys. That's another level of fucked up, Hey, let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I don't get those M4s by the end, there's gonna be some new black faces cruising the streets of Charm. And a burned down warehouse gonna be the least of your problem.
Okay. He was with two dudes, Always like making sure anyone steps in, he's protected. So he's in someone else's garage, yeah? Or is his garage?
Sons, Thomas, who's already at peace, and Jackson. May he never know this life of chaos.
Got my left nut blown off by an April flag in Iraq.
Wow.
Look at that guy.
Jesus Christ, put that deformed nutbag away, will you?
Sorry, Klaus.
I love this actor, man. So good. And he puts... Here you go. Yeah. All these dudes, they were in prison already. They're sinners! This is how you show... Stupid junkie bitch.
These Mexi assholes come into our territory. They steal from us. They shit on our livelihood. Opie's gonna lean any way we need him to.
Okay.
Tried calling you.
What is it?
Was eating that ice cream
C-section.
and injecting
He's
himself.
10 weeks premature.
Patience.
Ask Dr. Naveed if I could assist. I want to help your son.
So that girl that was injecting herself and stuff
Jax.
is his
Jackson.
girlfriend.
Go with Tara.
Okay.
I got something to do.
I think he will stop the guys that are selling the drugs to her, Oh guys, here we go. Blow! Hey, guys, look at this. Shh, guys, look at this. So this is how things are done. You really you hurt someone. I mean, she's about to die as well, so if you hurt someone that made that happen in the same way, kind of, by beating that person, is kind of like eye for an eye, like what the Bible says,
Looking at it, if you need money.
We'll borrow, wanna earn.
Yeah, it's true, man.
Yeah.
It's a point of borrowing money
Kids gotta get used to
if you're
how
not
ugly
having
the
income.
dads.
What's the Nord's roster looking like these days?
15, 16 guys. A few new kids breaking in.
So, any luck up north?
Tacoma could help with the Glocks, but there's no M4s anywhere.
What happened if we didn't rebuild?
What do you mean?
Hey, I'm just thinking about what's best long term. We got heat with the Mayans, ATF crawling up our ass. Might be time to look at other ways to earn.
You want to do the right thing by your family, don't you?
Yeah.
Of course. Well, then go see your son.
Yeah, man. I mean, he's trying to put him in the right direction, you know. A lot of people, they will not care about that, his sick son. And he's trying to make sure he's like not going to that path. Okay, his previous girlfriend, previous wife.
I didn't think you want to see me. My lawyer said they might file criminal charges. Fetal abuse.
So when you are a woman and you are having a child, if you do something that can harm the child inside of you, you are committing a crime, kind of. I like that. I didn't know about it, but you know, I like that.
He's not gonna make it.
What are you talking about? What happened?
He was born with half a stomach and a hole in his heart.
Hey,
He's gonna die.
Don't you say that.
come on, he's not. But he can also like tell himself things that will not happen. You know, he needs to be ready for the worst. Yeah, I get him.
Gotta go see him, Jax.
I can't.
Why? She'll break your heart. It's called being a father.
For how long? A day? A week? You and Dad hooked up. Ever talk to you about his vision? Running guns? You want that? Found a box of his old shit in the storage unit.
How are the hands, baby?
Okay, so he took his friend's wife, kind of. That's how we know. You wanna take care of the wife of your previous friend that died.
He was asking me about his original vision for the club. Did he want to get into running guns?
Tonight he said that maybe we shouldn't rebuild the factory.
I don't want the ghost of John Teller poisoning him, ruining everything we've built.
Nothing is gonna get ruined, okay?
So she prefers this guy's vision than her actually son's father, you know?
Dr. Nemi doesn't want to wait. Thinks we should do the heart surgery now.
Well, that's good, right? That they're not waiting.
It's the best choice, yes. I'm not the same girl I was 10 years ago.
I am.
So they have that's something before, yeah?
Yes, there's
Wow.
some things you can't change.
I leave
Yeah.
it there. All that
So-
shit's behind me.
She belonged to
Forgot
some
just
gangs,
how
no, clan. She was a gang member.
And he also knows that we'd be under the cut chops. He wouldn't take a chance housing the M4s there.
Great actor as well, this guy. Wow, look at this. Bulletproof. So he's about to do something. He's about to, you know, go into enemy territory. American flag. Hey, look at this shot. That's the spot, yeah? The gang is formed. Incredible. I like this. Okay, he's pretending he's Elvis Presley, yeah?
That was beautiful, baby.
I got 6 busloads of Korean tourists coming in. They love Asian Elvis. I'll get you next month, Bobby.
Better luck next time, Bubba. Thank you. Who is it?
The Colonel.
Hey!
Sweet Jesus!
Boom!
Oh, sweet Jesus!
Get the guns in the van. Wire this shithole up.
Okay, gonna have a
The Mayans. Yeah.
gangs clash.
Lay low.
Let's go. We off these guys can trigger something that runs out of control.
What's the cost of your mistake? You got a problem making it right?
I'll draw him to the dumpster.
When your bladder's full, you gotta piss.
There you go.
Dirtbag buddies. They camp out here, they get some of this.
Surprise, surprise.
You tell your dirtbag buddies, they steal from Sam Crow. They get some of this.
Hey guys, look at this. There we go. Fuck, man. They don't mess around, man. These scenes, the intensity, there is no like somehow to trust anyone, you know. Unless if you are, you know, even the members of your own clan can backstab you, you know. You got a, you know, a bulletproof, so he's okay.
Darby's guy.
Like Darby did make some new friends in Chino.
So I don't know exactly like what they mentioned, but this guy, no, maybe work with them before, change field. After you commit a crime, you need to make sure the evidence will be destroyed as much as possible, you know?
Looks like the boy might actually see his first birthday.
There you go.
He made it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, thank God.
Yes.
But no, baby doesn't deserve to be with her, man. She's sick. She's crazy.
Maybe we should say a little prayer. You have no baby. You lost that
There you go.
privilege.
Yeah, yeah. Come on. She knows she's not
Just you turn to Jesus.
ready. She's not in her right mind. Says the Bible. She gave to her this. What? You think if she takes that, or it's kind of like a test, if she will be able to not use it, you know? It might be like the first step. See, I like the tattoo. Oh yeah. So he has the same tattoo as as it's shown on his jacket, on his back. Okay, overdose. So she took, you know? She's kind of like commit suicide. Hey, that what? No, she was there for. Hey guys, this last scene now. Woo! Gonna be a daddy, and maybe the nurse that she kind of like has a beef with as well will take care of this child with him. That's it. Okay, and I like this shot, you know. Well, guys, great show, great episode. For the first episode, very rarely you can see an episode, especially the first one, with so many great elements, so much action, so much drama. Wow, guys, it's hard like to start with something that I liked, basically, because there were so many moments I liked, you know. So this thing now that she bringing the Bible with a syringe to inject herself to commit suicide, kind of, is incredible, no? Guys, I still don't know exactly what's going on, you know? I know it's them. So the plot is basically him, trying to be slowly the king of the Sons of Anarchy gang, and yeah, there will be a lot of fights, a lot of confrontations against the Mexicans. You know, the Mexicans, they are trying to get to that place and trying to get the most of it, but they will not allow that, because it's their country, it's their place. So even though Mexicans, they are rough and they are a lot, so they are rats, so they will try, is in their nature, to try to, as much as possible, to take over their place, and that's like what this series will be all about. So we're gonna have a lot of the same as Sopranos, I believe, gangs fights. That's what this show is all about. But we're also gonna have, I think, the drama here also will be, I think his mother is very cheeky, I think at some point you will be against his mother, His mother, is someone that whenever she would think she is wrong, he is wrong, she can be against him, Yes, as far as I can see, when she thinks about something, she will go until the end. That's like our tough woman, it's all about, And I believe even like right now I think the king of the clan is the Hellboy. I like to call him the Hellboy because I still don't know the name of the characters. I know the main character is called Jax, but I still don't know like exactly the name of the characters, and I'm not good on remembering names, so I'm really sorry, guys. But anyway, in the third episodes I will definitely be more aware of everything. I think the nurse was a gang member, that's why she had that tattoo. She had something with him as well, that's why maybe she knew about her. Like, guys, slowly you're gonna see. And she now in the end she went to see the baby, and she kind of like, you see an affection on her eyes to see Jack's son, So she might have like feelings toward the son because he's the son of her past boyfriend, Jax, basically. I like also the scene now where they confronted the Mexicans close to the end. The way they made sure any evidence will be destroyed as well. I like when implemented that dynamite on some Mexican ass. Was a funny thing to do. That's how you got rid of your enemies. By implementing some funny element on it. They figured out that one of the guys that were with them at first joined the Mexicans, but that's how you do when you are trying to approach and overcome your enemy. You always grab someone that has been with your enemy, so you're gonna be aware of a lot of weaknesses, flaws of your enemies. So yeah, that's like a good thing to do. Even like in football, if your team has someone that has played before for the team you are about to play, that player will tell a lot of things that will help your team to figure out the weaknesses, of the team you are about to play. So I like that thing that this show showed us as well. It was a nice thing to implement. Yes, guys, great actors. I think so. I don't think even in Breaking Bad or on The Sopranos you could see such as many great actors right now are on Hollywood. Sons of Anarchy, I could spot a lot of actors that they are big in Hollywood. The guy with the scar, Hellboy, the main actor, and Jax, and another guy that's I mentioned that this guy is very famous, he's a great actor. So 4 guys that are very you can see them often in Hollywood. So this show has a lot of great actors, because I believe that the reason why is I understand if I was an actor in California, if a show like that would come, with motorbikes, Sons of Anarchy, the names looks cool as well, I would candidate myself, even if I would be bigger, to play a TV show, I also understand why they could grab a lot of great actors for this show. Yes, guys, it was a joy to watch. I'm really happy that I decided to go with this series after the bad luck with Sopranos. So I'm looking forward to watch the 2nd episode, the 3rd episode. Next week we'll have 2 episodes, so soon we'll be more aware of what is happening in the show. Yeah, guys, as always, if you like this video, press the like button, comment if you think I missed something, should know something before I put this episode to the side, said something dumb that was not right as well. Comment whatever you think I should know. Share with your friends that might like to watch someone else reacting to this episode, show. Subscribe to my channel, give me a love, energy, so keep strong, doing these things for you guys almost every day. And yes, as always, hope we're all having fun, and most important of all, stay safe, guys. Have a good one. Thank you.